Flaperons are control surfaces on an aircraft that serve the dual function of both flaps and ailerons. They are typically found on aircraft with swept wing configurations, such as fighter jets and some commercial aircraft. Flaps are movable surfaces on the wings that are primarily used to increase the lift of the aircraft during takeoff and landing. They increase the wing's surface area, allowing the aircraft to fly at lower speeds without stalling. Ailerons, on the other hand, are control surfaces located near the wingtips that are responsible for controlling the roll or banking motion of the aircraft. When one aileron moves up and the other moves down, the aircraft rolls or banks in the desired direction. Flaperons combine the functions of flaps and ailerons into a single control surface. During takeoff and landing, flaperons can be deployed as flaps, increasing lift and reducing the aircraft's stall speed. When in the air, they can function as ailerons, controlling the roll of the aircraft during maneuvering. By integrating the functions of flaps and ailerons, flaperons offer improved aerodynamic efficiency and control capability. They provide greater control authority and contribute to the overall maneuverability and performance of the aircraft.